It felt like yesterday, standing at the gate with nothing but a suitcase and a dream.
The matriculation. The day we officially became part of the legacy. The excitement was heavy in the air.
Then came the lectures, the long hours, the scribbled notes, the whispers between friends that made the day fly by.
From the precision of the chemistry lab to the silence of the library lockdowns.
Late nights, just you, the books, and a cold cup of coffee, pushing for that A.
But it wasn't just the books. It was the thrill of the pitch, the overhead pass, the wind that felt like everything.
The deep chats at the hostel side, laughter that healed the stress of a failed project.
A plate of jollof at the cafeteria, celebrating a successful defense. These were the moments we promised we'd never forget.
The final presentation, the final knock on the staff door. The person who walked in was not the same one who arrived.
And suddenly, convocation, the gown, the cap, the pride in our parents' eyes.
4 years, 5 years, a lifetime of memories. Where did they go?
Your campus journey, preserved forever. The YBA, your digital yearbook app. Search for us on the App Store.